Welcome to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're up on the property again today, and we've got some Amish folks coming up. They're gonna help us out. They're gonna take a look at the house and see where they can help us. Again, we're trying to get the roof fixed and the fascia around. Gotta actually cut a path to the side of the barn. So we've got about 25 feet of dense brush that we've got to try to navigate through so that we can get to the corner, get to that barn, and on the other side of that stack is a 4x12 hole. That's the plan today. We got the vent pipe, we're gonna fix that. So we're just getting started. We're gonna get the camp opened up and see what's going on with the water in the basement. That's been evaporated. No rain has come since the last video. It's only been a couple of days. Oh, look at him. Where are you going, buddy? That's a snapper. See how he's got the
said that.
the thing in the back?
This point.
Yep. So he's definitely a snapper. He's not like the other turtle that we
Well,
had.
don't pick him up.
Well, I gotta pick him up.
Okay, blow your finger.
Probably.
It's still a little guy.
Yes. Whoa.
He's gonna pee on you.
Probably. I wonder where he came from. All right, let's let him go right here. There you go, buddy. All right, that works. Do you want to look at the barn? Are you?
Yeah, we might have while we're here.
Yes.
We're gonna be back and forth, and so we're just kind of be starting.
Yep.
And because right now we can't see everything.
Yep, I get
so
you.
We'll start and we'll go from there, I guess.
Yep, absolutely. All right, I'll show you the barn.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, all right, here we go. I got the piece cut. We're gonna slide that on there like that, and then that's gonna go on there like that, and then that's gonna go on there like that, and then it's all gonna fall over. I need a big rubber gasket down in the bottom. I've got the pipe all assembled. I got this piece here in the bottom, but I went and got one of these 4x4 rubber coupling. Who knows if this is gonna work, but we're trying, right? That's what matters. All right, she's on. These things are a pain, and that's way too big, but it's gonna have to work for now. She's good and tight. Nice. As you can see, I got that 4-inch coupler on there. So that's nice and secure now. That ain't going anywhere. Beautiful. Got that nice mushroom cap on there. We're doing good. I'm really happy about this. I also was able to get all of this cleared out. There's a deer. I wonder if you can see that. Fun. Anyway, so I got all this cleared out so that they can easily access the side of the barn. Thanks for joining us on another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're going to conclude our evening here. We're going to grab some food. I really am happy that the Amish were able to take the time to get up and help me out, show me the things that they can try to do for our property and how this is going to be a resource for us in the future. Stay tuned to the future video. We're going to have some great updates. I have to meet with them on Monday to get an action list and a material list, and I'm looking forward to them getting started. Hopefully on the next video we'll have some good progress on that. Again, thanks for watching and have a great evening.